Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 8 fat-burning foods. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. Boosting your metabolic rate can help you lose body fat. However, most fat-burning supplements on the market are either unsafe, ineffective, or both. Fortunately, several natural foods and beverages have been shown to increase your metabolism and promote fat loss. Here are top 8 fat-burning foods. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple may help prevent weight gain by reducing sugar cravings and helping balance blood sugar levels. It does this thanks to its active ingredient called acetic acid. Ingesting apple cider vinegar before a meal may make you feel fuller with less food. Additionally, it works as a natural way to detox your body and balance your stomach's pH. Because the substance is highly acidic, try adding a tablespoon or 2 to a glass of water before drinking. Number 2. Chia seeds. These seeds, originally grown in Mexico, are a nutritional powerhouse filled with healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. Not only does consuming chia seeds increase energy and give you more endurance power, you'll get that workout in after a long day. But because they absorb so much of their own weight in water, the seeds can slow your body's digestion. This helps reduce hunger pangs so you can focus on making smart dietary choices. You'll get the same benefits from eating other seeds too, such as flax and hemp. Number 3. Coconut oil. Not all fats are created equal. In fact, coconut oil is one of the healthiest, most natural fats we can consume thanks to its medium-chain fats that are easily digested and used for energy. Coconut oil is filling and can help support thyroid function and gut health, both of which play a big role in determining your metabolic rate. Swapping out refined vegetable oils for coconut oil is a simple way to add more healthy fats to your meals. Number 4. Cayenne pepper and other spices. This spicy seasoning is good for more than just increasing the heat in your foods. A 2015 review found that capsaicin, the active ingredient in cayenne, may have important potential for promoting vascular and metabolic health. Cayenne pepper increases your body's ability to create heat and use energy, just what you want when trying to shed those extra pounds. It can also dull hunger and may promote energy balance, meaning it prevents overconsumption of calories. Number 5. Chicken and turkey. If you're trying to prevent weight gain due to overeating, emphasizing foods high in protein is highly recommended. Chicken and turkey are readily available, protein-dense choices to fill up on. Just 3 ounces of chicken, about the size of a deck of cards, provides about 37% of your body's daily value for protein. This nutrient helps keep our bodies energized, our muscles looking sculpted and our bellies feeling satiated, in part by reducing the hunger hormone called ghrelin. Number 6. Grapefruit. Which fruit burns the most fat? Oranges aren't the only citrus fruits on the block. Grapefruit is just as delicious, and luckily for us, research suggests it's full of enzymes that help your body break down sugar. Try adding half a grapefruit to boost the nutrition of your breakfast or squeezing the fresh juice into a glass of water. Number 7. Whey protein and other protein powders. Is there such thing as foods that burn fat while you sleep? While it's a bit more complicated than this, filling up on protein throughout the day can help support a strong metabolism and potentially keep you at a healthy weight. Adding whey protein to your breakfast smoothie or taking a daily supplement will keep you feeling full, support your ability to increase muscle tone, and spike your energy while stabilizing blood sugar levels. Number 8. Eggs. Studies have shown that egg-based breakfasts reduce hunger and promote feelings of fullness for several hours in overweight and obese individuals. Additionally, eggs are a killer weight loss food. In a controlled 8-week study in 21 men, those who ate 3 eggs for breakfast consumed 400 fewer calories per day and had a 16% greater reduction in body fat, compared to the group who ate a bagel breakfast. Eggs are also a great source of high-quality protein, which increases metabolic rate by about 20–35% for several hours after eating, based on several studies. Despite what certain supplement manufacturers may suggest, there isn't a safe magic pill that can help you burn hundreds of extra calories per day. However, a number of foods and beverages may modestly increase your metabolic rate, in addition to providing other health benefits. Including several of them in your daily diet may have effects that ultimately lead to fat loss and better overall health. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tip.